Hello friends, to solve this expression we follow the BODMAS or a PEMDAS rule which dictates the order of operations. Note that there is a vinculum. So we read bar over the numbers and we must be handled first. So vinculum priority. They always treat the vinculum as the innermost brackets. Even if it is inside the parenthesis, it happens first. So first we solve the vinculum bar. 4 minus 1 vinculum bar brackets. The horizontal line, as you can see over the numbers, indicates it must be calculated before anything else inside the parenthesis. So answer will get 3. Now the expression becomes 78 minus square bracket 24 minus curly bracket 16 minus 15 minus 3 and then curly bracket square bracket off. Step 2. Solve for the round bracket parentheses. Next we perform the subtraction inside the round bracket. So 15 minus 3 equals to 12. Now the expression becomes 78 minus square bracket 24 minus curly braces 16 minus 12 and then off. Remember, rewrite the entire expression for every single operation you perform. This prevents skipping the numbers and the third step. Solve for the curly braces. Now simplify the value inside the curly braces. So there is 16 minus 12. We'll get 4. Expression becomes 78 minus 24 minus 4. Remember, if there is a minus sign outside a bracket, remember that removing the brackets change the sign of the number inside. For example, if I say minus and 5 minus 3, it becomes minus 5 plus 3. So I hope it is clear. Now the next step, 4th step, square brackets. Calculating the remaining value inside the square brackets, 24 minus 4 equals to 20. Now to 20. Now the expression becomes 78 minus 20 and final we subtract. Complete the final operation to find the result. After subtracting we get the final answer is 50. Always start with the innermost grouping, the bar or a round brackets and work your way out to the square brackets. I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.